Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for Zoho Mail. To get started, simply open your web browser and navigate to the official Zoho Mail website. Once there, you'll see options to create either a free personal email account or a professional business email. Select the one that best suits your needs. Then, fill in your preferred username, create a secure password, and provide your mobile number for verification purposes. After entering your initial details, Zoho Mail will send a one-time password, typically a 7-digit code, to the mobile number you provided. Please check your phone for this message. You'll need to enter this code into the designated field on the Zoho website to successfully verify your account. This crucial step helps to secure your new email address and confirms your identity, protecting against unauthorized access. Now, if you're setting up a business account, you'll have the option to either add a custom domain you already own or purchase a new one directly through Zoho. You'll then need to verify domain ownership by updating specific DNS records, such as MX or CNAME, with your domain registrar. For personal accounts, this step is skipped, and you'll automatically receive an email address ending in @zohomail.com. Finally, you'll choose a plan that fits your requirements. Zoho offers a forever free plan, which includes up to 5 users and 5 gigabytes of storage per user for one domain. After selecting your plan, follow any final setup prompts to personalize your inbox and settings. Once complete, you can log into your brand new Zoho Mail account and immediately start enjoying its features for all your communication needs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.